Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab and another product release for you guys. Because you guys got problems, we got answers. That's what we're here for. So what did we do? What did you do, Mike? Let me set it up real quick. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? That's an amazing cone. It goes from 2 inches to 5 inches. And you'll notice there's little marks. What's going on with that, Mike? Well, let me tell you what's going on with that. So we got these guys. These are reducers or expanders, depends on how you want to do it. 6061 aluminum. We also have them in 304L stainless. They are about 100 thou thick, so nice thick billet, turned on a lathe stuff. And you'll notice, what's up with those marks? Well, those marks are scoring. So this is 2 inches from the top to bottom. So 5 inches there, 4 inches there, 2 inches there, and then every quarter of an inch it's scored. All right, so yeah, they're scored every quarter inch. So you say but I need to go from 4 to 3. Well, bam, there you go. Well, I need to go from 4 to 3.5. We'll just cut it in half. 4 to 3 1/4. We'll cut it at the quarter mark. 4 to 375. We'll cut it there. And then once you cut it, you got another bunch of little pieces left over that you can reuse later for your other project. And 304L stainless steel. So, bam, there you go. Look at that. Big, beefy billet. And they're 100 thou thick. They're scored about 20 thou deep. And amazingly enough, it's scored wide enough that it'll fit a cutting blade in there to work as a guide. So you can cut these guys down. So here. Whoa, oh my goodness, you're gonna have to edit that out of the video. So here is one. Look at this. Look. Here's one that's been cut down, and now you got 3.5 to 2.5. I'm sorry, yeah, 2.5 and 2.5 to 2. So you can make your fancy transitions that you need. Look at that. It's made for 16 gauge, but you could use it with 10 gauge or whatever. Just have a little bit of a lip on the inside, and bam, you got your reducer all ready to rock. Look at that. You could do all kinds of crazy things here. You could make multiple reductions or expansions in whatever system you want. And these guys are dirt cheap, as you can see from the website, and available in stainless steel and billet aluminum. So I think that pretty much wraps up everything you need to know. The thinnest part is still over 80 thou, so they're really nice and thick. It's going to give you a little bit of outside overlap on your pipes, it makes a nice land to weld to. You fabricators out there already know that, but the inside's made to match up really well. I cut this guy. I just threw this thing in my old beat up vise like now, and I just flipped this right in the groove and just cut it, turn it, cut it, turn it, and that's how that works. You could tack weld these guys to a pipe, run it through a bandsaw if you'd rather do that. I mean, whatever works for you, just be safe while you're cutting it, and wear protection, because fabrication is dangerous, boys and girls. But I think that pretty much sums these guys up. Really excited. This gives you options from transitions from 4 to 2. I'm sorry, from 5 to 2, and in stainless and aluminum. So everything you have imagined or hoped that you could do, but you don't have the correct transition to make it, or you don't want to use some swaged tubing that's thin, bam, there you go. And it's cheap. Check that out, man. So check it. Thanks for dropping by, checking out the product. Pretty excited about this guy. And just bam, that's it. New product, Monkey Fab. 6 new things for you guys, incredibly affordable. It's what you guys want.